I am so excited to show you guys what I've been working. Ow. What's going on, everybody? Happy Monday. Man, I had so much fun yesterday that I did not do a lot of things I needed to do. Mostly with the vlog. But it's a new day today, and I am pumped. I've been out here basically all day, which has been nice. I've just been avoiding editing. I really need to go do that though. But I was so excited for my CNC, we had to get going on some projects. I have been just like going at it with this CNC. It is dialed in, it is beautiful, it's got good speed, everything about it right now, I'm gonna jinx this, is perfect. Knock on wood. I've just been having a lot of fun just doing some basic carves, and I did some test cuts and stuff, and everything has come out swimmingly. You guys saw I did this yesterday and it came out beautiful, and then I did this today, classic Ron, just to test out how it looked with the text, and it looked great. I did a cutout, like a door hanger thing. Gonna go a little ghosty ghost, boo, boo. And then I've been having some fun cutting out some more signs and playing around with these pigments. So that's what I've been doing for about the last 3 hours, but right now we need to go inside and edit this video because my friend is coming. My good friend Chase is coming, and he's hanging out with me for the weekend, and I don't want to be the guy who's like, I gotta go edit, give me a couple hours and just wander around. I want to be hanging out with him, having a good time. So yeah, let's go. How should we do this? Jump? Let's jump. All right, in the office, I've got a little bit of work I've got to do before I edit. Yeah, again, more editing. I know it's boring. I'm going to try and get through it, and I'll catch you guys on the flip-flop. Achieving a good CA finish is not only an art form in its own, but it takes a lot of practice. Achieving a good CA finish takes a lot of practice, and in its own, it's its own art form. So don't be discouraged if your first try doesn't work out. Keep practicing and you will get it. I'm almost done. I'm putting in all of the dujemhikits, I think they're called widgets or whatever, graphics and stuff, which is gonna make this video look super pro. Oh, we're done. We got this thing done. It's, I think, ready to go. One thing that I usually do is I finish up my whole edit, finish everything up. I think I'm done. I walk away for like an hour or so, take a break, come back, watch the thing all the way through, and then that'll let me know if I'm actually done or not. So break time, I guess. Out to the shop. Shop! Wow! All right, I'm out here. I am just gonna be messing around on the CNC some more, making some signs, just testing some things and having fun. Well, just messing around again. I got some things to kind of work. I'm working on this one that I really want to work. This one design that I really want to work, but it's got a little bit of too much. It's got a little too much detail in it. This Yoda right here, his face just, there's too much detail in the face. I mean, this is a tiny freaking thing too. I tried it on this bigger guy, and I think there's still too much detail in there. I kind of want to paint it just to see. Like, it might work. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Well, maybe. I guess we'll see, huh? It's supposed to look like this. But you can see in his face and stuff, there's just, the details are too small. So when the bit cuts, it just ends up cutting everything out. Man, this would be sick. Yeah, that's going to look like garbage. Bummer, dude. This is why we do some tests. Anyways, I'm just gonna be doing that rest of the night, so I think I'm gonna call it today. Be good, be safe, be happy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.